Hey there, Dewdrops. It's Diane from CoraVina. Happy Black Friday! Hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I hope that you are well fed and joyful. I hope you got to at least talk to some people that you love and care about. It's, like I said yesterday, not the Thanksgiving that we wanted, but it is the Thanksgiving we've got, and for that, I am still grateful. Okay, so enough of that. We're gonna marble some really pretty paper today. Do you remember what our inspiration is? Let's take a look. It's option number 2. The blue feathers is what we're doing today. All right, let's make some really beautiful blue paper. All right, let me show you what we've got. Let me start out with these oddball colors here. Really bright, bold green and a little pale blue. Everything else comes in a little bottle. All right, so here is our array of colors for the little bottles. Okay, so I'll show you the bottoms here. We've got a lot of really pretty colors, and I'm hoping with some black and white we can mimic the colors on this blue feather. All right, so let me set them down here and we'll get to going on creating some paper. I didn't know you couldn't see my face. All right, here we go. So you're not staring at the feathers. Did you notice I zhuzhed up my background? I did. Look at all of our beautiful marbled paper that we've been doing lately, since now we're focusing on both silk and paper. All right, guys, we'll give it a little shake, shake, shake. I'm gonna switch you over to our other camera, and we're gonna get going here. All right, so I'm gonna keep an eye on my picture. I think, you know, last time we started with white. I think we're gonna throw caution to the wind today, guys, and let's start with black. We're gonna watch that black dissipate over the surface of the tray. And then I'm not gonna add any more black. Okay, it'll just be that nice little touch of black there. All right. I feel like we're really blue heavy with this feather. So let's add our blue in. Let's put it everywhere. Got a lot of that color. A lot of this pretty little color. It's not quite a periwinkle. I feel like we've got more heavy blue down on one side than the other. So we'll throw some of that in there. Maybe let's do some diagonal lines. I love marbling paper because, you know, if you don't like it, it's just paper. It's not like a silk scarf. I do care a little bit more about the silk because, you know, there's higher costs associated with the silk. But the paper, for me, is just very fun. Oh no, that was not a paint that I should have used. I see that now. We'll see how that affects my marbling. Right now it's looking okay. Just maybe like we won't be able to see that color as much. All right, so we went a little crazy trying to drop over the top of that. That's fine. I'm gonna come back in a little bit more of this darker color. So there is some green, and we're gonna hit it back with the heavy blues on top of it. Because this feather to me is more blue than green. And it looks, there we go. We'll get some more of that lighter blue in here. I'm wondering if maybe I missed the mark with that really bright blue. Let me see if I'll grab another one here. We'll see if it's like that azure blue. Ooh, cerulean. Let's give our cerulean a little shake, shake, shake. And add that guy in here. Cross your fingers because I didn't test it. Oh yeah, I think this is a good color for our paper today. I have a ton of paint on this tray. I hope it all works out. Let's find out, shall we? So I like the big chunks of color. I think we're gonna use our kind of our goofy. This is one of the first tools I ever made, and I made it out of scrap wood. I only use it every now and then, but I do really like it. I need to just make another. That's what it comes down to. All right, so got that there. Let's do some loops. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna put this in here, and we're gonna do some nice loops. See if we can get just a pretty print. Looks like we've got some space. I'm gonna see color poking through from our white paper. Looks like that one color that I was concerned about didn't hurt us at all. So thank goodness for that. All right, let's make a print with this gorgeous design. We're gonna lower down some white paper and the print is going to instantly absorb. Let's go. All right, guys, we did it. All right, so here we are. We made our print, made our paper. Let's take one last look at our inspiration. We are doing option number 2 today. I hope it matches. All right, let's pull this thing out of the water and see what we've got. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, so pretty. Look at all those colors. Look at how that black, remember? Black was the first thing we put on, and we didn't put on any more of that black. Just we did a little bit. See how nicely that's stacked up against the lighter colors? Oh, I just love it. All right, Dewdrops, we did well. All right, so it's Friday. I hope that you're having a terrific day. I hope you're getting all those awesome digital deals. And if you're an in-person shopper, good luck to you. May the odds be ever in your favor. I myself am not. I'm staying home and shopping from my computer on Friday. So you should check out CoraVina.com because if I got my act together, there are new scarves for you to shop from. All right, and they make wonderful gifts. And I will see you on Monday where we will make more beautiful water marbled paper and scarves. All right, so have a wonderful weekend, Dewdrops. I wish you all the best. Remember, live colorfully. Goodbye.